Hi kindergarten friends, I hope you've been having fun using these writing prompts and making super silly stories. I've got another one for you today. Let's shake it up and see what story we're going to write. Remember, each picture can be one page. Here we go. Ooh, what do you think that is? Here's another one. Ooh, we got some new ones. I'm really excited to see these stories. Once you're finished writing your story, feel free to send it to your classmates and your teachers so they can see. Ooh, there's a couple question marks here, so you're gonna have to decide what goes there. Interesting. I hope you have a fun time writing.